Hi, I'm Lisa Goranson and I play Becky on The Conners. When I'm not acting, I'm watching Vito's Italian Cucina.
Ciao, this is Vito from Vito's Italian Cucina. Thanks for joining us again. Today is another special day. They all are. You know, today I'm going to do a recipe from a good chef friend of mine by the name of Chef Chance Tasson. Hey, Maron, chef. He makes a wonderful salmon and he grills it and he uses all these different ingredients. And I'm going to read them off to you. But first, I want to tell you, I'm doing this show in honor of my buddy Alan Merriweather, who I love a lot. And he loves fish, he loves salmon, and we go to a place in Malibu and we have salmon. We meet up with our families. It's a great thing. So this is for you, Alan. I love you, buddy. Let me tell you what's in this. I got my little note here because I don't want to mess up Chef Chance's recipe here. He has olive oil, he has garlic cloves, Italian parsley, thyme, rosemary, lemon zest, and lemon juice. Woo! Does that sound good? Yeah. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to cook it probably 2 to 3 minutes on one side and then flip it over. I'm going to use the skin down first. Now it's been marinating right here. Just look at that marinade. I've already blended it together in a food processor and I went ahead and had this put in here for 3 to 4 hours of marinating. Don't go any further than that because then it messes up the fish. So come on over here. Let's go on. Come on, follow me. Here we go. So I'm just going to take it out. Come on in. And I'm going to make sure the heat is on high heat because it's got a, chef says I need to hit it hard. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So here we go. I'm going to let it just get a little bit warmer here with a little bit of olive oil on the bottom pan so it doesn't stick. And then we're going to go ahead and time it out and we're going to do it. Okay, so there, look at how gorgeous that looks. Isn't that wonderful? I'm going to go ahead and put it down here. Oh, that's what you want to hear. Come on in. Ooh, I'm going to let that go ahead and sizzle. I love that sound. On one side for 2 to 3 minutes, then I'm going to flip it over. Come on back. All right, thanks for staying with us. I'm going to flip them over. It's been 3 to 4 minutes on one side, skin side down. And here we go. Let's come on in. It's going to be dark, but don't worry. Oh, man, that's going to be great. I'm ready to take them off right now. They look wonderful. They smell marvelous. And you're going to love this salmon. Okay, so try this. Come on with me. And the skin is there. You can always take the skin off. I'm going to flip it over. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, my gosh. And there's the skin. Can you see the skin? There it is. And then you can take that off if you don't want to have the skin on. Some people like it. Okay, here it is on my little beauty plate. Look how gorgeous that looks. It looks gorgeous. I'm going to go ahead and crack it open. I'm going to take a little piece. You want to stay here with me? Let's go check it out. Okay. So let's bring it open like this. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at this. Look at that. Look how gorgeous that looks. And there's your skin on the bottom right there. You know, doesn't that look good? Now let me go ahead and take a piece, okay? Oh my gosh, look at this. This looks wonderful. Doesn't that look good? Look at that. Wow. Oh, wow. The flavor, the aroma, the tenderness, the juiciness. It's wonderful. You're going to really love this. You are going to enjoy this. If you didn't like salmon before, you're going to start liking it now. That's right. Thank you for joining us here, excuse me, at Vito's Italian Cucina. Remember to go to vitositaliancucina.com and go to the shop part. There's a shop part up the top. And you guys can have one of these great aprons too. Thanks for joining us. Ciao for now. Arrivederci.